Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a GA4 property and immediately set up a data stream. This gives you the measurement backbone. Next, install gtag, JS, or deploy via Google Tag Manager so events flow to GA4. Verify in real time to confirm the tag. Once done, connect Search Console and Ads to enable source attribution and richer reporting. Do this now because correct tagging and links prevent data gaps later and let you act on insights from day one. Now you instrument events and turn the ones that matter into conversions. This tells you what drives revenue or retention. Define 5 to 10 critical events first, then create audiences for users who complete or abandon those flows so you can remarket or analyze. After that, build custom reports and segments to slice by channel, device, or cohort. This reveals patterns raw tables miss. Make sure you validate event parameters and timestamps. Inconsistent naming breaks downstream reports and comparisons. Finish by creating dashboards that surface KPIs, traffic sources, conversion funnels, and LTV trends so teams can act fast. Then set alerts and scheduled exports to keep stakeholders informed without manual pulls. Use automated audiences to feed ads platforms and personalize experiences. If something goes wrong, first validate tag firing in debug view and check data stream settings, time zone, and excluded filters. These common issues explain missing data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.